You can literally take a property like this in your local area and turn it into free commissions like this. You don't need any money to get started. You don't need to go and view the property yourself. You don't need to go and pay any rental fees or write up any long documents or contracts. I'm going to show you how you can make money online in this part 2 with unlimited ads, but this time with properties. This is going to be an excellent strategy if you are a teenager and want to make some money online. You can actually do this at any age. It doesn't even matter if you're a teenager or not. But it's great if you're starting off in life and want to make some money online with properties using free unlimited ads. And you can actually do this with anything. It doesn't have to be properties. I'm just going to be using properties as the example because properties is always a good investment and it's something that will always make money long term. Guys, you don't want to miss this video. It's going to be an epic banger. One of the best videos I've probably uploaded on my channel so far. Out of all 590 videos, I definitely think this is one of my favorite ones. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no-BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey over here on my YouTube channel, posting daily videos on how I make money online and have a full-time living on the internet. If you want to get tons of free content, free value, and epic trainings every single day, make sure to subscribe down below with the notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. If you can count how many times I say the word property in this video, I'll put it on the screen so you can see which word it is. Comment down below how many times I say that word throughout this video. You need to watch it from beginning till end. I will choose a lucky winner out of the people that got it right in the comments and give them $40 to your PayPal account. So make sure to go and leave a like on this video. You need to be subscribed with the notification bell on to be entered, and comment down below how many times I say the word property and you can win $40 straight to your PayPal or Bitcoin wallet. If you want to see more about what I do full-time off of YouTube, it's a concept called drop servicing where I sell high income skills and services all around the world without actually doing that work myself. It's a method called outsourcing. So over here, I've got my entire 6-figure drop servicing university program and a 7-minute video that explains what's in this course, how you can get started, all my results and students' results from this. So you can come over to the first link in the description. If you want to check this out, all you need to do is click on get started over here, enter your student information. On the next tab, you'll need to enter your password to log into the private membership area of this course. So you can click on submit info and make sure to enter your password, and from there you can submit all of that and I'll see you on the inside. So this is all in the first link in the description. The first thing that I wanted to explain is this payment on the screen that I showed you in the intro is in South African rands because this actually only works in your local area. You can find properties anywhere in your local area. This works anywhere in the world, but you can't go and do this with properties in the United States if you're in South Africa like me. It will only work with properties in your country, in your local area. So I'm going to show you a database and how to find all these local properties in your area and how we can actually go and make monies and fees and commissions off of these properties posting unlimited ads on the internet. So the first step is we're going to come over to Google and we can go and search properties for rent in my area. Over here, Google will automatically detect your location and it will find properties to rent in your area. So over here, you can see property and houses to rent in Cape Town. Okay, my internet service provider's in Cape Town. So I just need to go property for rent in Port Elizabeth, which is my local city. Click on enter over here and you will see a couple of websites in your country that are relative to properties in your area. So in South Africa, we have Properties24, which is this first website. We have privateproperty.co.za. We have Just Property, again, Property24, so Home Traders, onreality.co.za. So you just want to open up a couple of these websites that list all of these properties available in your local area. So over here, we've got Property24, we've got property to rent in Port Elizabeth. What you want to do is you want to go and filter the property type and you want to check house, apartment, townhouse, and leave out farm, commercial, and industry. You just want to do homes and houses and apartments. If I click on enter, take a look at this. Over here, we've got, for example, an entire 2-bedroom apartment flat at the top floor in one of the local areas in my city, which is currently costing 7,500 Rand per month. If I go and show you 7,500 ZAR to USD is plus minus $500 a month, which is not bad for rent. Now, each and every one of these properties listed on these websites have a direct contact agent. And all you want to do is you can either click on show their contact number or type them out a message. And we want to send them a message asking them if they would be willing to pay you to bring them a client. So a lot of brokers obviously have a lot of properties running on their websites. And of course, remember, these property brokers are a business. They will do anything to find a client, as a business's ultimate resource is their clients. So if you can bring them a client, you can get them to pay you a commission for that. Whether it's a once-off fee or a monthly commission every single month from their rental fee from your client that you have referred. So you can either go and contact this broker, like I said, through the message. You can type out your name. I recommend to keep things professional. Actually click on show their contact number, and you want to maybe give them a call, and you can talk to them professionally, and you can just say to them, "Hi there, my name is Jay Froneman. I'm from Port Elizabeth, South Africa. I've recently found your property on Property24 or this website, Sahoma Traders. Would you be willing to pay me to bring you a client?" And in fact, a lot of brokers will say yes to this kind of thing, because I was shopping for properties last year and the beginning of this year, and multiple times the broker that I was working with contacted other brokers of different properties, and basically the fee of the property would split 50-50, and it's basically now what you're doing. You're getting paid a fee to refer and get this broker property clients. And don't worry, you don't have to do phone calls or cold calling or meet people or like that. There's a way that you can actually post unlimited ads on the internet and get tons of traffic to your different property offers, where you can seal the deal and get all your commissions from there. One thing that you and your broker will need to do is, your broker will most likely do this through their property company, and you guys will need to write up a contract to avoid any misunderstandings and to make sure that communication is clear and what kind of commissions that you have in writing that is signed. So that is something that you will need to do. You suggest to them, if they don't mention it, can we write up some kind of contract, but they most will likely initiate that. The next step is, we want to come over to Facebook Marketplace, and we can go and list our listings on Facebook Marketplace. I'm also going to show you a database where we can go and find 73 other websites where you can go and post unlimited ads in your local area listing your different properties. So on Facebook Marketplace over here, you can see I searched up rentals in Port Elizabeth. They've got various different houses over here, and obviously you can see these are much older houses. And what we can go and do is we can go and create a new listing over here. Facebook Marketplace actually has the option home and rent for sale. So click on list a house or an apartment. Over here, it's going to ask you for the preview ad. You just need to add a couple of photos over here. So what you can go and do is you can come back to this website over here, and you will see they will have photos on their adverts. So what you can go and do is you can go and go back over here. You can just go right click. You can just go and click on a couple of these pictures, screenshot them. For example, let's take a nice one of the kitchen. You can click screenshot on your keyboard or go use a free screenshot tool, or sometimes you might even be able to download them. I see there's no download option. So then we just go over to Paint, paste our screenshot. We're just going to crop out the screenshot like this. Click on crop, and you want to save this to your PC. Again, for picture number 2, just go and save all of these pictures to your PC. You can even take a nice picture of this view. So I'm going to use this picture and click on print screen again, paste this back into Paint, crop this out, click on save, and let's just save this as home to my PC. Once that's saved, you can come back to Facebook Marketplace, click on add photos, and choose the 2 photos that you have saved. Well, obviously you want to save all 13 of them. You want to click on home for rent, not for sale. Rental type, you want to put apartment or condo. Number of bedrooms, you just come back to the advert and you will copy this information. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. So we just come back to Facebook, we type in 2. Number of bathrooms, we come back and we can see that there is 1 bathroom. For your price per month, you're going to type in 7,500. Remember, the same as this apartment over here. If you want to, you can also look at drop shipping this property at a markup, but sometimes that is very difficult as your prices can become a little bit high. So if you want to, you can go and drop ship this property at $8,000 a month, get your client to pay you $8,000 a month for this property, and you just pay the property agency $7.5 per month for the property, and you can keep 500 Rand a month in your pocket, or $500 a month in your pocket every single month. But I recommend keep the same price, because then this property agency will pay you a fee every single month. For the rental address, you can just go and copy the rental address off the initial adverts. Over here you can see Port Elizabeth Summer Strand, so we can go and copy that, come back to Facebook here, and all we want to do as well is copy Cape Marina, because this property is at Cape Marina, Port Elizabeth Summer Strand. Click on comma, and you can enter the rental address over here on Beach Road, which is this road over here, which I got off this advert. For the rental description, you can actually just come over here. We can copy this entire rental description over here. Just right click copy, and we can go and paste this over here. If you want to, you can go enter the property square feet, which should also be listed over here. So here you can see it's 110 meters square. So just go and type 110. The date available, let's just see if they say anything on the advert. Available 1st of September 2021. So we can just go let's click all the way 1st of September. Street parking, air conditioning. For parking, you want to put parking available. Air conditioning, you want to put none. If it doesn't say that. Heating type, you want to put heating type if they say on this advert, but they don't say anything, so you're just going to put none. You want to go and read up if it's dog friendly. So you can see over here, there's nothing about dogs, so you want to put none since this is a apartment. So let's just leave that off. You want to click on next over here, and once you're ready, you can go and list your property on the marketplace over here. You can also go and list this in multiple property groups, and remember, you can place as many adverts as you want to. You can also come over to Google and search classified ad websites. Click on enter over here, and you will see there is Taboola. There'll be multiple ads that will list up in your local area. Here is 6 free advertising sites that can boost your local marketing. So let's go click on that and go and have a look at these 6 websites. So you've got Locanto, you've got Craigslist, you've got Facebook Marketplace, Oodle, Hoobly, Jibu. So let's just go and, for example, go to Locanto. Go and search Locanto on Google and click on the free classified ads website of Locanto. And you want to go click on post a free ad. And you want to enter your title over here. So this would be the same title from this website over here: 2-bedroom apartment or flat to rent in Summerstrand. Come back to Locanto, paste this, click on proceed. Over here, you can see you've got a property section. You want to click on houses for rent. And just like I showed you, you're going to go and copy and paste the same advert off this website over here back onto Locanto. And remember, this is only one property. If I come back to private property over here, take a look at this. There are tons of different properties that you can do this with and get commissions for every time you resell these properties and get clients for these brokers. So you can go and list all of these properties over here, post unlimited ads on Facebook Marketplace, Locanto, and just go and search local ad websites in my area. Click on enter over here, and you will see junk mail, advertisement sites, ads for sale, top 10 advertising websites in South Africa. So Google will naturally filter your searches by your local country, so you don't have to stress about that. So over here you can see we've got Gumtree, OLX, junk mail, Locanto, Ads South Africa, Public Ads, Class Ads, Houseit, AfriBarber, and Book South Africa. So you can go and post ads on all 10 of these websites, post as many as you can, and get your properties out there. And once you've negotiated with your broker, you can get commissions for every single property that you resell. Do note that I've done all of this behind my desk, didn't need to go out. All of it was done over a phone call or an email address. Everything was written up digitally. I didn't need to drive anywhere, and I'm literally selling these properties online digitally without actually taking any money. I don't need to go and rent these properties myself. It's an amazing business model to literally make free money online with properties without actually going to view those properties or buying those properties or taking any money out of your pocket. So if you want to get started with this, I really recommend save this video to your watch later. So if you do get confused along the way, you can refer back to this video and watch it throughout so you don't miss any steps. Also, just as a reminder, don't forget about the $40 giveaway that I'm having in this video. So make sure to go and comment down below how many times I said the word property throughout this video. If you get it right, you will stand a chance of winning $40 in tomorrow's video. So that I'll pop up the winner on the screen in tomorrow's video. So make sure to stay tuned, have the bell on so that you can be the first to tomorrow's video. But guys, without further ado, I hope you got tons of value from this. Comment down below if you have questions about this as well, and I'll reply to your comments. But take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.